how to set up order ID format in Shopify. To show you this, I've opened my startup page here, and I'm just gonna go to the bottom left side here where it says settings next to this gear icon. Just gonna click on that, and here on the left side, make sure you're in store details. And once we do this, we scroll all the way down here until we see order ID. And as it says down here as well, this will show on the order page, on the customer pages, and the customer order notifications to identify each order. So here, just write your prefix number in this one. And in this section, you write your suffix number. And that will generate the order identification for you. After you're done with that, you just click on save and it will save the changes for you. And that's how you set up order ID format in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.